should have filmed it. Cold start. What we got here is gonna be a long line of videos. It's a 77 C20 custom deluxe. There's a one owner, and my knowledge, that's actual miles. That's 61,000 miles. But fella drove it down to Florida every winter. The truck really ain't bad, but we're doing the whole body. I got all brand new panels for it. Just gotta warm it up here so I can pull in the garage. Gotta feed her all the beans. Here she be, just going over everything and just what you call it, penetrating fluid, deep creep to be over rear brakes, so that's great. And going over all the bolts with deep creep, that way I have no problem taking this thing apart. Got new fenders, new doors, new bed sides, new cab corners, new rockers, new hood, you name it. I just got it for this truck. I got to order a couple things. I was underneath of it looking. I got a little hole in the floor right there, so I'm going to put a floor pan in on this side. Inner rockers, I got to order, I think, both of those. And just this front cab mount. Actually, I'll show you. I wonder if I could turn the camera or the flashlight on with. Nope, I can't. Okay, might be hard to see. Might be hard to see. Oh no, you can see pretty good. Yeah, I have a hole there. I could actually even fix that with a little bit of sheet metal, but I'd like to put just a new piece in. That way, I'm not worried about it. But yeah, I was looking at the frame. The frame is actually really, really, really solid on this thing. I mean, there's no rot whatsoever. It's this factory undercoating. Oh, see what I'm looking at. Yeah, factory undercoating on this, and actually some spots like up in here, that's shiny black. It's actually really amazing. So where it counts, this truck is really beautiful. It's actually really, really beautiful. Yeah, like even back there, got a little bit of rust, surface rust. Somebody did a great job putting this rocker on. I see, it looks like sheet metal screws, or yep, those are sheet metal screws. And yeah, they just went to town with the metal work. And I was just pecking at some more. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, just all the good stuff. It doesn't really matter on these. I'm putting new. I got new inner fenders too. So all that's new. And went and lubed everything up. Everything that I seen. That's even my mirror. The mirrors are going back on. It's a Pappy truck. That's what it's gonna stay. I ain't gonna hot rod or nothing like that. And did them bolts. I did these bolts in between here. Did them. Yeah, it's actually really solid, but I mean, I'd rather just have new bed sides, which I did. I still need to order a tailgate. See, it's like split. I don't know what these are supposed to look like. If they're supposed to have this gap in between here, I'm not sure. So I'd still like to just order one and have essentially a brand new body. But like the inner fenders were great on it. The bed floor on this is beautiful. I'm gonna sand it all down and reshoot the inside of the bed too. That way it's all like brand new. Back of the cab's beautiful. Roof's nice. Even up in here, all that's nice. No frills with this truck. It's all just custom deluxe. It's a cheap one, you know, except for the tack. That was factory. No, it wasn't. I lied to you. I'm a terrible person. We're gonna have new door panels, new dash pad. I'd like to find this specific seat cover. I would like to redo this, just because that there's gonna drive me nuts. But I would like to redo this seat. If anybody knows, I ended up getting a factory catalog. I'll actually show it to you right after this. I got a factory catalog. Like point of sale, you go into the dealer, this is what I want, this is the color that I want, this is the seat that I want, is it available? Like, you can obviously order a red truck with this seat in it. Ask me how I know, because I got the catalog. You couldn't. Not unless, I don't know, if you knew somebody, then would it be a Copo and a hot rod? I don't know. But yeah, super solid. It's a 350. Just a little oil leak. Just a little tiny one. I put a new belt on it, which it's severely loose. And yeah, I think we're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this truck. Always wanted a square body. I had an 81 C10. I had actually the 6-liter is over there in the corner, and it just never happened. I sold the truck because I ended up buying this. I like the 77 a lot better than the 81. But just the one gas tank. Keeping these wheels. I think those are awesome. What was them 15.5-inch steel wheels on the 3/4 tons? Oh, 16.5. My bad. Yep, I'm sorry. But yeah, you can get a little glimpse of that frame even, like right in between the shock and the leaf spring there. That's black. I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera, but yeah, the coating's just flaking off of it. This is gonna clean up beautiful, especially whenever this bed comes off. A wire wheel, all that, then prime and paint. I think it's just gonna look fantastic. Oh, is that satisfying? I ran out of stuff to peel. But yeah, let me know what you think about this project, and we'll do some more. Well, not some more, but we'll do more, obviously. It's if you want to see it. I think it's great looking. Yeah, light blue with the white bumper. That's another thing. Do we do the bumper white again? Do we buy a chrome bumper for it? I want to buy all new grill and stuff for it, but I don't want a cheap grill. You know, I want a pipe dream, new old stock. I'm not buying a new old stock grill for this. I don't want to spend $2,000 on a grill. I don't know what they cost, but I'm assuming, or what these trucks have been doing. Ollie! But what these trucks have been doing. Imagine new old stock stuff ain't cheap. But yeah. Right after this, it'll be later, quite a bit later on the day for me. I'll show you that that dealer catalog, but for you guys, it'll be next couple seconds. But all right, see you then. I just wanted to share this. If I can actually, has a magnet on it. There we go. How about that? Oh, the free Harbor Freight light from like 2 years ago still has the original battery in it. But I'd like to spray some I guess some, was it PFT or PRT or something? It's like what do you actually call that? It's not undercoating. it's like oil. Beeswax, more or less. I want to spray some beeswax on this frame. But I didn't want to spray it over top of this flaky shit. So I figured take off what I can here. I got the other side already done. I mean, the other side is a little bit more flaky than this side. But yeah, look at that. That's shiny black original frame. But a gas tank looks to be good. I gotta check this thing out a little bit more, poke around. I might change this side too, because I am doing this side inner rocker. It's crazy the frame looks like that and the inner rocker looks like that. But yeah, it's actually a lot better than what I thought it was gonna be, if I'm being 100% honest. Oh, yeah. Get some. I want to poke at stuff. I don't know why I want to poke at stuff. What's wrong with me? Poke. Yeah, it's actually pretty dang solid. Right at the end, which I think, is that supposed to be a hole there? Probably not. So I'll just order 2 of them. I'll show you the other side. Hoo-yah! Fat kid problems. There you go. Look at the numbers even. But yeah, the floor is gorgeous. The truck box looks like that too. I mean, it's not rusty. I figured I'd share that. I'm gonna hose it down with Protection First Class. That's what it's called. But I want to clean the bed out, get the leaves from about here out of there. Current inspection. Nope. So I'll grab the vacuum, clean all this up, and get this floor swept up too a little bit. Then I'm gonna undercoat it with some beeswax. Okay, I don't have to worry about it for a little bit. Alright, here's this catalog. 1977 Chevrolet Truck Light Duty Sales Album. Chevrolet. But just open it up here, and there's my interior. Plaid pattern embossed vinyl seat trim. And that was, yeah. There's the normal seat. That's what I had in my my Scottsdale. Actually, yeah, Scottsdale. Look at that. Yep, Custom Deluxe. I actually like the Custom Deluxe a lot better myself. Door panel's a lot nicer in the Scottsdale though. Cheyenne. And obviously Silverado, which is really, really nice. Too nice for me. But yeah, it tells you everything about it. Yeah, Chevy pickups. But yeah, it gives you all the specifications and colors, which mine is light blue. You could pause it if you want. I thought it was interesting. It has all the specifications and all the trims and how they're made and dimensions and options. Oh, yes. This is what I was meaning. I have light blue. If we can find it here real quick. Blue light primary color, and seat trim. Yep, you could just get the blue. You could just get the blue interior with the light blue color, and you could get that in, was it standard vinyl, and a custom deluxe, and a Scottsdale. Custom vinyl with bench. Scottsdale, okay, yeah. You can only get the standard vinyl in the custom deluxe. If we go, let's see, colors and trim. Once again, there's mine. That Mariner blue actually is really gorgeous. Love that. That Hawaiian blue too is really nice. Seat trim. I think it was this one is what I have in my truck. So yeah, it's actual swatches. Thought that was really interesting. But yeah, I figured I'll show you this. And there's accessory catalogs too as well. But they have in here are in the back is your price breakdown for what you're ordering. Like that's a base price for a C20 with the LS9, which was the 350. 4-barrel was $135. Automatic was $315. G80 is $160. Rear bumper, which it has, and that's the option code, was $41. The spare was $18, and that's the seat code for my truck, VDD1. If anybody knows where I could get the seat cover for that, please let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to follow any trail that you could lead me down. But yeah, as much as I looked, all I could find was just the normal Scottsdale seat, vinyl seat, or a the Silverado seats, the fabric. I want what's in my truck because I want it back to original. Nothing hokey. Like I said, any help is appreciated. But into this video, I ordered a bunch of parts tonight. Whenever they come in, we'll do some more videos of this truck. But thank you all. Have a great night or day. I don't know what time you're watching this, but that's beside the point. Have a good day or night. Just have a good time.